Preparing a metal surface for welding is a critical step to ensure strong, clean, and durable welds. One of the most effective tools for this purpose is the carbide burr. These small rotary cutting tools are crafted from extremely hard tungsten carbide, making them perfect for tackling tough materials like steel, iron, and other metals. Their versatility and efficiency have made them a staple in workshops and fabrication shops around the world. When a metal surface is covered in rust or old paint, it poses several problems for welding. Rust, which is essentially oxidized metal, creates a weak, uneven surface that can compromise the integrity of a weld. Old paint, on the other hand, can introduce contaminants and generate toxic fumes when exposed to the heat of welding. For these reasons, it's essential to remove both rust and paint before welding begins. Carbide burrs come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. The most common shapes include cylindrical, ball, oval, and flame. Each shape allows the user to reach different angles and contours on the metal, ensuring a thorough cleaning of even the most complex surfaces. The burrs are attached to rotary tools or die grinders, which spin them at high speeds. This rotational action, combined with the sharp, durable cutting edges of the carbide burr, allows for rapid material removal. To begin the cleaning process, the metal surface must be securely clamped or held steady. This ensures safety and precision during operation. The appropriate carbide burr is then selected based on the area to be cleaned. For large, flat surfaces, a cylindrical burr is often ideal, while a ball or flame-shaped burr may be better for crevices or curved areas. The operator starts the rotary tool and gently applies the carbide burr to the metal surface. The burr's cutting edges bite into the rust or paint, chipping and grinding it away without significantly damaging the underlying metal. Unlike abrasive methods, such as sandpaper or wire brushes, carbide burrs cut rather than scratch or smear the contaminants. This produces a cleaner, more uniform finish, free from the embedded particles that can sometimes result from other methods. As the burr removes layers of rust or paint, the operator uses smooth, steady strokes, working methodically across the surface. The speed and light pressure help prevent gouging or overheating the metal, which could otherwise lead to warping or weakening. Throughout the process, it's important to periodically stop and inspect the work, ensuring all contaminants are being removed and the metal beneath is clean and bright. Once the surface is free of rust and paint, it may be necessary to make a final pass with a finer carbide burr or a different finishing tool to smooth out any rough edges or burrs left behind. This step further prepares the metal, creating an ideal surface for welding. The result is a clean, bare metal surface that allows the weld to properly penetrate and fuse, resulting in a stronger, more reliable joint. Carbide burr tools have several advantages over traditional cleaning methods. Their durability means they last much longer than steel brushes or abrasive pads, and their precision allows for detailed work on even the most intricate metal components. They also minimize dust and airborne debris, creating a safer and cleaner work environment. In summary, carbide burr tools play a crucial role in preparing metal surfaces for welding by efficiently removing rust and old paint. Their cutting action ensures a clean, contaminant-free surface, setting the stage for high-quality, durable welds. Whether working on a large industrial project or a small home repair, these tools help welders achieve the best possible results.